Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and make your Instagram account professional. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is first of all open up your Instagram app on your mobile phone. Simply go back to the home screen. You will find this kind of interface, right? So afterwards, tap on this profile icon given here in the below right corner of the screen. Now tap on this 3 horizontal line on top. You can see this is not a professional account, so 3 horizontal line. Tap on this settings and privacy. Scroll down till you find this option of account type and tools for professionals. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you can see this 2 option called switch to professional account, add a new professional account. To simply switch your existing account to professional, tap on the first option, tap on this continue, again tap on continue. Now choose a category for you, and once you're done, tap on this done. You can also choose to display it, and there you go. Again tap on next. You can skip this, and we can simply cross this out first of all, and there you have it. Now you have your professional account. You can simply take your time and set it up for your profession, and you will be good to go. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.